here we have just a short video just chatting about our new two-tone collection of suits. For the gentleman who likes the 1960s mod type fabrics, this is one we've just recently finished this week, complete with satin lining. The top pocket is lined with the satin to match the lining, so you've always got a pocket square with it. It's got a lovely two-tone finish with the horn buttons on there. Other option for the mod guys is we sometimes do these in cloth cover buttons with the same fabric of the suit, but on this occasion Mr. Wood wanted the horn buttons. It's got a lovely two-tone shimmer to it that you don't normally see nowadays. I think they've really nailed it with this collection. The fabrics, these are made in Huddersfield and made in our shop in Manchester city centre, so get in touch if you would like a lovely two-tone mohair suit made.